Switchblade drones are among the military support items President Biden announced yesterday in an $800 million package for Ukraine. Unlike the large drones the US military uses for reconnaissance and deploying weapons against targets, these tiny Switchblades are themselves the weapon. The Switchblade drones are sometimes called Kamikaze drones because they act as single-use, remote-controlled bombs. They are small and easily deployed and are intended to hit targets that are outside the line of sight. They are launched out of a tube much like a mortar. Once launched, the Switchblade drone can be controlled from the ground before striking its programmed target. It has a feature that allows a service member to call off the strike should the target have moved away or civilians are in the area. Manufacturer AeroVironment has two different models. The Switchblade 300 drone weighs 5.5 pounds and is small enough to be transported in a rucksack. It can fly for up to 15 minutes with a range of just over 6 miles. It has a cruising speed of 63 miles per hour and top speed of 100 miles per hour. It's designed for strikes on soldiers. The Switchblade 600 drone weighs 50 pounds and fly for more than 40 minutes with a range of about 25 miles. It has a cruising speed of 70 miles per hour and top speed of 115 miles per hour, and it was designed for strikes on soldiers and tanks. It's not clear how many of each model are being sent in the support package. Ukraine has used Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2s to launch guided missiles at Russian tanks, missile launchers and supply trains, according to the US Department of Defense. The Bayraktar TB2s are not considered to be particularly fast or stealthy. But drones have had success against keeping Russian forces from securing air superiority. The smaller, more easily deployed Switchblades are expected to be even more effective in the war. These were designed for US Special Operations Command and are exactly the type of weapons systems that can have an immediate impact on the battlefield, said Mick Mulroy, former Deputy Assistant Secretary of Defense. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.